Morgan Stanley Cash Plus is a brokerage account with cash management features, debit card, checks, bill pay, ATM access, designed as a banking alternative. It is available only to existing Morgan Stanley clients who have an eligible investment relationship, such as a brokerage, advisory, or self-directed account, including certain e-trade accounts, in eligible jurisdictions. Steps to open: confirm you are an existing client with a qualifying investment account. If not, open one first, for example via a financial advisor, Access Investing, or E-Trade. Log into Morgan Stanley online or the mobile app, or contact your Morgan Stanley financial advisor or virtual advisor team. Navigate to Cash Plus or access your cash management options and select Open Account. Choose Premier or Platinum Cash Plus. Platinum offers more benefits, including eligibility for the Amex Platinum Annual Engagement Bonus. Complete any required application, agreements, and forms, may be digital or emailed for signature. Provide personal and financial details as requested. Once approved, fund the account via direct deposit, wire, mobile check deposit, or transfer from another Morgan Stanley account. A monthly fee, $15 Premier, $55 Platinum, applies unless waived by meeting deposit or balance and other criteria. For example, linked investment account, plus online enrollment, plus minimum deposits or balances. Contact your advisor or visit morganstanley.com for current eligibility, fees, and exact process, as it can vary.